Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. Let's learn how to solve a one-step inequality. How do you know if a solution works? Solutions will make an inequality true. So the first question says, is 7 a solution? So we're going to take the number 7 and we're going to plug it in for the variable x. When we do this, we get 7 is greater than 4. This is true. Therefore, 7 is a solution. Let's look at another example. This question says, is -3 a solution? So we're going to take -3, we're going to plug it in for x. -4 is greater than -3. This is false. Therefore, -3 is not a solution. Something else we want to talk about is, how do we solve an equation, an inequality? Well, we solve it just like an equation. We use inverse operations to cancel out an operation. There is one difference though. If we multiply or divide by a negative number, we change the inequality sign's direction. So if it is a less than and you multiply by a negative on both sides of the equal sign, we would change it to the inverse. So what tools do we have? The same tools that we used for solving an equation. To undo an addition, we would do subtraction. To undo subtraction, we would use addition. If we had division, we would undo that with multiplication. And if we start with multiplication, we undo that with division. So let's take a look at an example. Here we have x plus 7 is less than -16. So we're going to use the inverse of adding 7, and we are going to minus 7 from both sides. We get x is less than -23. Remember, the smaller part is towards x, so when we graph, we're graphing to smaller numbers, which means that we would graph or shade to the left. Let's take a look at a division problem. Here we have w divided by -6. We want to multiply the w by -6 since that's the inverse of division. Multiplying and dividing by -6 cancels out. So we get w, and we change the inequality sign's direction since we used a negative and multiplication. Now this says that w is bigger, the bigger side of the inequality. W is bigger than -54, so we're going to fill in our circle and shade to the right. That's how you solve a one-step inequality. This was Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. Please like and subscribe below. Thanks.